This conference will now be recorded.
Not able to see your chat. You got your this installed SQL?
Yes, sir. I've told you, sir. Password forgotten.
What you're using username?
Uh, I think host only, sir.
Username must be system, I guess. Just check, na? Must be system as username and password, whatever you are given at the time of installing. Just try it once again. You might get it.
Host was like inbuilt, sir. It was written like that itself. Username is same, but password is like I have forgotten. I have given so many entries, but it is saying no.
So about the NVL function, guys. The NVL gives, generally when we work in the companies, when mute, no? Mute yourself. Okay. So whenever we go for the companies, right? Generally we don't have the records like 10 or 14. We have the records like 10 lakh, 15 lakh. Sometimes even we have records of 54 lakh. I have worked on. So at the time, whenever you want to get out the null values, so we use the NVL function. It's like this. Like that commission has the null value. NVL commission. Did you understand what happened? Like I'll show you parallelly on commission NVL commission, or you can make it 0 from EM. So wherever null is there, the value becomes 0. So this is the use. This is a very basic use. Nothing you can do here. You can also insert some values. I guess not tried from long time. 0. Not possible. It's only number is allowed here. That's for info. This is a basic use I have told you. Now let's see what NVL2 can do. NVL right? So I think you guys are able to understand here what exactly happened. See what NVL does. I'll write it down for you here. Understood. Okay, no problem. NVL, wherever null is there, it gives the values what we give here. Okay? 1. Let's consider we want to give the values like 9, just to make ourselves understand. Wherever null is coming, 9 has to populate. There, what I can do, select NVL. In the commission, I have null values. So commission column I have given and 9 I have given. So wherever null is there, 9 has come. So now what I can do, let's say this as a in the column select star from select NVL commission 9 on EMP, where this will confuse you. Let's go to this next stage, not now, only confuse you. So tell me, did you understand till 9? Wherever null is there, 9 is coming. Then you can go to the next stages, step by step. Hey, Dinesh, it's not an extra answer. It's a very simple concept. NVL is the command. Wherever commission is commission where commission right? Commission, this you understood that wherever null values is there, I am getting the values, right? So wherever null is there, it's coming blank here. So instead of getting the blank, I want some value. It can be anything. It can be 0, 0 to 9. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything, any number. So for that, what I'm doing, select EMP number, name, job, MGR, holiday, and instead of commission, I will use NVL, commission, command 9, button, EMP, there. The NVL has no meaning. It is just a command. Okay, like select is there, like from is there, like that NVL. Okay, it has no meaning. So did you understand now at least? NVL, wherever null is there, you can see here select start from EMP where commission is null, all blank came here. So instead of blank, I want some value. So what I did, NVL commission comma 9. So wherever commission is null is there, it has given me the value of 9. Only this much is the function use of this. Did you understand, Ayappa? So we can go one step ahead of this, where you can see here, wherever 9 is there, this is called null value. Okay, and wherever commission is there, the already value exists. So when the records are like 10 lakhs, 20 lakh records, I will have to distinguish between only two values. So what I do, these are not null values. 4. others are null value. So this is the second function of NVL, summation 0, 1. Now this says wherever null is there, it has given me 1 number. Wherever there is no null, it has given me 0 number. Very basic function, guys. Nothing to get confused. Only this much is the use. This is used in the records, like 10 lakh records are there, like 20 lakh records are there. When this comes, I can directly export to Excel and I can directly filter with 0 and 1. So it will be easier for the calculation. Just for the basic understanding. This is also clear. Dinesh, Ayappa, if not, I'll tell you once again. Okay, clear. Yeah. Now let's work on the functions. This is an important part of SQL where you will start understanding what exactly function does. So this is the distinct first function. You can note it down if required. What distinct does? Distinct removes the duplicates and shows them the record only for the appearance sake. Exactly doesn't remove. It is not a manipulation function. This is just a function like display function. Like you can see here, there are only 3 department numbers. Okay, but it has been repeated so many times. So I want to know how many department numbers are total. So what I will do, select distinct of department number from name 10, 20. And here in the salary, I can say that couple of salaries which are repeated. I want to see how many different salaries I am paying. Distinct of salary 12. 2 salaries didn't come. Total 14 rows because 2 salaries are repeated. 3000 is twice, 1250 is twice. Right? So I want you to write a query. How many different jobs are there by using this thing? Can you write it?
To print the whole job thing, sir.
Whole job things, but duplicates of job has to be removed. Now total 14 counts are here, like president 1, manager 3, analyst 2. So I want only one president, one manager, one analyst, one salesman, one clerk.
Okay. Select distinct jobs from.
Yes, exactly. Write down, na? You also write it here. It will be easier for you. Select this thing, not jobs, only job, and game. Only 5 are there, right? I hope distinct is clear for you guys. I can move to the next function. who all have joined here. Next function. Decode. Clear the screen. So decode is a function where it depicts in a different way. Like yesterday, we have worked on the update function, right? Where we have changed the precedent instead manipulated. I don't want to manipulate. I just want to display something like differently. Now precedent has to be displayed as boss. So let's see how decode can be used here. Decode dot precedent and boss. You can see here it has come boss. Rest all has came empty because I have not given any command for them. So to give command for them, decode dot interview manager supervisor. In rest, whatever is there, I'll give as job. Can you make the difference, guys? What I have done? You respond and tell me if you understood this. It doesn't change anything inside the data. If I press select star from EMP, the data is as it is. Only while displaying it changes. All the functions will work on the display thing. Dinesh and I respond.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, but how is it changing, sir, from president to boss?
That's what I'm giving. That's what decode does. Decode.
So you're
This is
changing
the use of
every line.
not every line. See here, what I've done. Wherever president is there, it has to come boss. So wherever this is president here, so boss came. Wherever manager is there, supervisor has to come. So three managers are there, their supervisor came. And I have written job. So wherever left jobs are there, it has to come as it is. So earlier, what I have done here, earlier I have done only, I have changed
One
one decode.
president and
So
boss.
came here, rest all came blank because there was no command has given to them. So here I gave a command.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. So now you write something where wherever king is there, I want your name to be written. Okay. And rest all leave it as it is. Write a command for that, write a query for that. Where king there, your name should display. Okay, Dinesh. Ayappa. Dinesh, it is not right. You can check it. Okay. So guys, let me tell you what this job indicates. Job indicates the column. Okay. And you are changing something in the column called e-name, employee name. And you are writing a code where select the code of job. So, but in the job, there is no king, right? Where is the king? King is in e-name, isn't it? Wherever king is there you do. And remaining has to be as it is. So e-name. Understood?
Oh, okay, understood.
No, okay. So let's do one more something. Wherever salary is 3,000, make it 4,000. I'll give you a task. Wherever salary 3,000, make it 4,000. And salary 1,100, make 1,500. Rest blank. Okay. Dinesh, I have clearly mentioned desk has to be blank, right? I'll just execute your code. You see what happens. It all the values came. Now write Ayappa, but the last comma is not required. Okay, the last comma will not execute. Blank. So you understood about the decode, guys? Can we move ahead? Good. Thank you. Now order.
Sir, for making it blank, what you have to use, sir?
Making the blank. Do not use sal here in the last. Your
Okay,
salary is there, na? Don't give that.
okay,
If
sir.
you give sal, it will come as it is. If you do not give sal, it will give blank. You can
Yes,
also decode everything, not only 2 to 3. You can write like 100 or 200 types also. Okay.
okay, yes, sir.
If there are different 20 names are there and you want to depict differently, you can write 20 times here. If there are 100, you can write 100 times. That is not a problem. This is just for an example. I have taken only 2. Okay. The next function is order by. Order by is nothing but sorting, guys. Very simple. This. Okay. Order by. You can see the salary. Everything is ordered by salary, ascending to descending. The smaller one is at the top. The bigger one is at the last. This does the order by. Now we can do reverse also. Descending. Now you can see the bigger one is here, the smaller one is at the last. Now can you write a query for order by with EMP number? Two queries. Yes, Ayappa, you have written perfectly right. Yes. Understood? Can I move ahead? Dinesh, can I move ahead? Now one more function is called between. So 1 or 2 days back we worked on something like salary is smaller than 1000 and bigger than 2000. Then we used this function. Let's show how we use that. Yeah, this related to that. So this is salary function. If I want something in between, I used twice here. But by using between, we can completely do in a single step. select from EMP where and between 100 3000. What is the difference, guys? This is the wrong one.
Or function is there, so
Yeah. I used
should
or
be
maybe.
and.
So this is how between is used. So the between is used only for the numbers, okay? It is also used for the dates, but we'll come to that later. So once I start with the date function. So can you write a query for salary which is between 2,500 to 4,500? And row good. Dinesh, you not written man. Let's execute the query where IF has written. IF, you are written wrong query, man. Okay, select star from EMP sal where you are written, but still let's say where sal between 4500 and 2500. Let's see if output comes or not. Output didn't come, and let's execute the query of Dinesh now. Output came. So can anyone tell me the difference between this? Why the output didn't come for the query which is written by IFA? You can chat it down or you can talk to me.
Sir, it's going from higher precedence, like from higher order.
The
Between
between works,
4,500.
yeah. So between works only for the lower to higher, not from higher to lower. This is a very important criteria of that function. Okay. So
Sir, we
between is
have
clear, right? We have internal.
yeah.
So shall I call this off today?
We can stop it here, or we can continue it tomorrow or evening.
Yeah. Fine then, fine. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, you have internal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, fine then. We'll keep it as less as possible for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes for 3 days. Then after that, we can extend for 1 hour. Fine then, guys.
Yes.
Today classes, you understood, right? Couple of things.
Yeah. Yes. Understood.
No,
Yeah, sir.
no confusion there.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine then. All the best for your internal. Carry on. Have a nice day.
Thank